Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to create a drop down list in Google Sheets. So we have our Google Sheets here, and you want to select where you want the drop down list. So let's just press this cell here. Then you want to come up to Insert, and then come down to drop down here. Select it, and on the right hand side you'll have the options. Now you can select the criteria, and you can see there's many different criteria that you can choose from. We'll just select drop down. Now you can add options here. You can choose colours, so you can choose the colour of the button. So we'll make this one green, for instance, and we'll just name it as yes. And we'll make this one red and select no. You can add another item. So we'll make this yellow, and maybe. You can allow multiple selections, and you have advanced options here. You can choose if the data is invalid, what to show a warning, reject the input. You can display the style, chip, as you can see, arrow, or plain text. We'll keep it as chip. Once you're happy with everything, select done. Let's select the drop down, and as we can see, our options. So that's how to easily add a drop down list in Google Sheets. If you ever want to remove it, hover over the drop down and select remove all. And as you can see, that's removed the drop down list. Hope you found this video helpful, and it helps you create a drop down list in Google Sheets. Don't forget, if it was helpful, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.